way to Tarragona, about 1 hour's drive. It's been a very interesting journey so far. Later on we'll be going to a coastal city where there is a lot of medieval sites to be visited, and it's facing the Mediterranean Sea. One tip for you when we're driving, better eat a lot of prunes or grapes, dried grapes, you know, because that helps you to go to toilet every day. Okay guys, see you man, cheers. Hi, morning. This is the hotel I'm staying in Tarragona, with a balcony and a very nice swimming pool view. Later on we'll be going down the old town, and I think it's gonna be interesting. This is a medieval town near the coastal. I wonder if you can see from between two buildings. We're near the coastal land. It's facing the Mediterranean Sea. I think the food here is gonna be cool. Cheers. Sixth day on my 7-day drive in Spain. We started from the airport near Girona, where I drove down to town for about, I think, 45 minutes. Stayed there for 2 nights, and following we drove to Lleida. That one about 150 kilometers, so about 1.5 hours drive. And then subsequently we went down to, I stayed in Lleida for another 2 days, and then we drove down to Zaragoza. From Zaragoza, stayed for 1 night, and then went to Tarragona. Then from Tarragona another night, and then going to drive back to Barcelona soon, right? So I will reach Barcelona in 2 days time. So, okay, cheers.